Effects panel. Our effects panel is the panel that has all the effects in our sequences. It has the video filters, it has audio effects, it has transitions, etc. To find it, we're going to come down here. We're going to go over here and we're going to hit this double arrow and we're going to come down to effects. And you can see here all the effects that are in our project are listed here. And so they're under a different category. So if we wanted to have transitions from one shot to another shot, we can come in here and say we want it to dissolve, and we want to cross dissolve, and we'd apply that. So this is where it tracks all the effects that we use. And so remember, we're selecting effects. We come back here, we can go back to the project. So in the project, we can go to the media browser, and we can go and look at our clips and whatnot, and we can go down here to effects at any time and look at all of our effects. All right, so I'm going to go back to my project. So remember, once we get to effects, that's where they'll be stored.